Hello everyone, today I want to share my views on economics and in this video I want to share my views on the budget process. Um, Budget process. What is the budget process? But before starting the topic, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also like my video and share my video also. Okay. So what is the budget process? A budget process refer to the process by which government create and approve a budget which is as follow. So budget process refers to the process by which government create or approve a budget. Okay, so it's a budget process. Number one, the financial service department prepare worksheets to assist the department head in preparation of department budget estimate. It means that which department is important to create a budget process? Financial service department. Okay, financial service department prepare worksheets, papers to assist the department, okay, head in preparation of department budget estimate. To prepare the department budget estimate, the worksheets has to be prepared by the financial service department. Okay. Number two, the administrator call a meeting. The administrator call a meeting of managers and they present and discuss plans for the following year projected level of activities. It means that whose role is important? Administrators and manager, because they discuss plans for the following year's projected level of activities. Number three, the managers can work with the financial services or work alone to prepare an estimate for department coming year. Which role is very important? Manager's role, because manager role work with the financial services or work alone to prepare an estimate for the department's coming year. Okay. Number four, the completed budgets are presented by the managers to their executive officers, and when the budget is to be completed, okay, then they can be presented by the managers to whom? To executive officers. It means that managers presented the completed budget to executive officers for review and approval, for the approval. Okay. Number five, justification of budget is very important. So justification of budget request may required in writing. In most cases, the manager talk with their administrator officers about the budget requirements. Okay. Then justification is very important. So managers can be talk with their administrator officers about the budget requirement. Okay. Now number 6, adjustment to the budget submission may be required as a result of the phase in the process. Okay, so submission is very must as a result of phase in the process. Okay, budgeting is the selecting of expenditure level for each of an organization function. It is the estimation and allocation of allowable capital used to achieve the designated target of the firm. Okay, so estimation and allocation of available capital is very important. Okay, so here I have another budgeting process in some point of view. So it refers to a process that involves number 1, planning, forecasting, number 2, number 3, implementing, number 4, monitoring, number 5, controlling. These are the and evaluating performance. 5 points of the budgeting process also: planning, forecasting, implementing, monitoring, controlling, and finally evaluating performance. Okay, now the approaches. There are of two types of approaches: top down approach and bottom up approach. What is the top down approach? Where budgeting decisions are taken by senior management. Top down approach means budgeting decision can be taken by senior management. Bottom up approach means where budgeting decisions start at departmental level. Bottom up means when the budget decision can be start by departmental level, and top down approach means when the budget decision can be start by senior management. Now the importance. Number 1, help in proper funding according to targets Number 2, help to control wasteful expenditure in organization. Okay, how to use the to control the wasteful expenditure in organization. Number 3, help in setting up the priority to channelize the resources. Now, steps in budgeting. Number 1, preparing base for budget accounting to funding. Preparing base for budget accounting to funding, creating cost buffer, preparing revenue and expenditure budget, incorporating departmental budget, incorporating bonus, provision for capital expenditure, change in budget model and review. Number 8, approval and implications and budgetary control. These are some steps in budgeting. Number 1, I repeat, preparing base for budget accounting to funding, creating cost buffer, preparing revenue and expenditure budget, incorporating departmental budget, incorporating bonus, provision for capital expenditure, changes in budget model and review, approval and implementation, and budgetary control. These are some steps in budgeting. Now, I have some question also here. What are the 5 steps of financial planning? But before sharing the 5 steps of financial planning, I want to discuss what is financial planning. What is financial planning? It is a step-by-step approach. It is a step-by-step approach to meet one's life goal. Okay, a financial plan acts as a guide as you go through life's journey. Essentially, it helps you to control to your income, expenditure and investments such that you can manage your money, achieve your goals. It means that financial planning is a planning in which you can estimate your goals by taking or giving your income, and how to earn your income, how to invest your income, how to manage your income, how to manage your goals. These are the financial plannings. How to control your expenses also. And 5 steps of financial planning. Set smart goal. Number 2, analyze information. Number 3, create a plan. Number 4, implementation of plan. Number 5, monitoring and optimization. These are the steps of financial planning. Number 1, set smart goal. Number 2, analyze information. Number 3, create a plan. Number 4, implementation of plan. Number 5, monitoring and optimization. So these are some views on the budget process and financial planning. Thanks, and if you like my views, then please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video, and thanks.